get ready with me. Just a simple look for today. So tell me what you guys think. Just a quick little everyday look. My daughter's award ceremony this morning. It's at 9:45, 8:30 right now. So I'm gonna see how quick I can do this. And I have a very sleepy voice because I just got up. Alright, so I can do eyebrows really quick. I'm like so puffy. I made some spicy braised tofu last night and it was so good. It's like salty. So now I feel like I look a little bit puffy this morning. I hope this is like in focus. I can't even tell. Is that better? Like I can't tell. Okay, anyway, let me hurry up. Okay, this e.l.f. concealer. The Yensa Super Serum Silk Concealer. I haven't been posting a lot on here because I've been just creating and editing. It's just been taking time. But videos are coming. Power Grip Primer now. Really quick. Didn't mean to start my day so late today. I was so tired for some reason. Got my meditation in. I did about 15 minutes today. Don't worry, I'm going to blend that in at the top. I just have to. So I'm trying my concealer like this new way since summer is coming. I didn't want to like have so many layers like foundation, concealer, powder, and all that. It's like a little bit brighter. Beauty blender is dry. Okay, let me go wet this really quick. Okay, that's better. My concealer sat too long. Almost done. This is literally like just a 15-minute ceremony, but you know, when you're ready for the day, you're ready for the day. Anything can happen. The Jets, Contour and Cappuccino. I keep forgetting the name of this brand because it got rubbed off. It came in my Ipsy. Oops, with me rushing, I'm gonna end up with like a crooked nose. Before I get into my rant in a couple minutes, how are you? I hope you've been doing well. Contouring can really make or break your look. Can really alter and change things like. I'm gonna blend it out. And then I'll apply foundation and just the areas to blend the concealer and the contour together. Do you do grounding practices daily? Just clean these up a little bit. Oh my gosh, girl. I've been needing to do extra grounding practices this month. Don't want to make those too long. Alright, so now let me take this highlighter, this Wonder Beauty. This Il Maquillage. This has a very pretty neutral color right here. All over my lid. There's just a little concealer on there, so that should be enough. My daughter got the principal's list, so she has all A's. I'm so proud of her. She works so hard. At the same time, it's like it comes easy for her, which I'm so thankful for. Because half the shit they be learning, I cannot help her with. So I'm so thankful that she gets it. And she's in 6th grade right now. I'm gonna do a little bit of that under as well. I still need to do my workout, so I'm gonna do that when I come back. Okay. Oh, and then the highlighter. I love this highlighter in here as well. And just putting a little in the inner corner of my eyes. Watch my posture. My posture is turning into like being on that damn phone. Have you guys just felt so challenged, like had a challenging time? Of course you have, right? This is my challenging time right now. Not being able to. The Jets are like, shut up. Like, not being able to get hired. I've applied to like maybe 20 jobs. I've called and followed up. Only thing I haven't done was go up to the jobs. I'm like, does anyone ever do that anymore. I'm not sure. For technology that we have now, I would think that people just communicate with like email, text, and calling, right? Oops. And I do trust that the best job is aligning for me. I'm just ready to start receiving an income again. At first, I feel like it's challenging me to stay my positive, happy self that I always am, despite circumstances. Because circumstances don't matter, right? Only the state of being matters. So I'm going through that lesson. That's my lesson right now. Learning that circumstances don't matter. And that I just need to choose peace and choose happiness and choose joy because I just want that, you know, not because I have money coming in, because that's just who I am naturally. Is that I'm using this Ciate London blush. I'm gonna use this orange one today. Like right now, it's just been my challenge to see, like, no matter what I'm going through, to remain thankful for the things that I do have. Because I am. Like, I've always been working, except for like when I got pregnant, when my migraines were so bad, I was not eating, that I had to like not work. And the morning sickness, oh, any woman that works throughout their whole pregnancy, the 9 months, like, I salute you, girl, because that was something that it took a toll on my body. So other than like times like that, I've always just worked. Didn't really ask my husband for money. And now I'm like having to ask him just a struggle. And I'm like, I'm telling you guys, I'm applying to like Panera. The place I did not apply to was like McDonald's, like Burger King, fast food places like that. I just know that I didn't want to have to protect my energy as well, and I didn't want to be in that type of environment. Now I literally have about like 5 minutes to get ready. 10 less maybe. Setting spray. Thank you for allowing me to be transparent with you today. Little tiny bit of lip stain. I wanted to keep showing up though. That was important. I've applied to like front desk positions, and I've gotten emails saying like, sorry, like, although your resume is impressive, we didn't go with you. I applied to Staples, got the same thing. I've called Panera, I've called places, and they're just like ghosting me. So I just gotta go with the flow and see what works out. I also really need to redo my hair. I don't know if I should get like braids or anything. I need to brush this out. So okay, let me just get dressed really quick. Okay, but that's it. I'm gonna go get dressed, and this is like a simple basic look. Guys, I'm sorry if I was negative today. I was just like was just kind of in a moment. But this is the finished look for today, and I hope you guys have a lovely day. I didn't put any powder, did I? A little bit under my eye. I almost forgot. And I know this is temporary. Things always work out. Okay. There we go. I will continue to trust in this waiting season. That feels better. Let me just set the powder really quick. Okay. That's pretty much it. This is just a basic little everyday look. And, you know, just a simple look. Just gotta get dressed and then go to the ceremony. Support my little girl. Alright, I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Alright, bye. Alright, here's my outfit. Just going very chill. Nothing spectacular or anything. Just wearing this butterfly green hoodie. And yeah, white t-shirt that I had on.